Welcome to this demonstration on connecting your Printix Home to Microsoft Entra ID, synchronizing groups, and finding users within those groups. Let's get started. First, we will connect Printix Home to Microsoft Entra ID. Begin by opening the Printix Administrator. On the Authentication page, select the Microsoft Entra ID tab. Click on the Connect button to initiate the connection process. You will be redirected to the Microsoft Sign-In page. On the Microsoft Sign-In page, enter your account email address. Click Next, and then enter your password. Click Sign In to proceed. After signing in, you may be prompted to grant permission to Printix. Review the permissions required and accept these permissions. If the connection to Microsoft Entra ID is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can use Microsoft Entra groups to deploy and control access to printers and control access to capture workflows based on a user's group membership. To synchronize groups with Printix, you must have the global administrator role in Microsoft Entra ID. Let's synchronize groups. Select Accept to initiate the connection. You will be redirected to the Microsoft Sign-In page. Sign in with an account that has the global administrator role in Microsoft Entra ID. Once you've entered your credentials, select Sign In. If prompted, be sure to select Accept to grant Printix the necessary permissions. Once the groups have been successfully synchronized, you will see a message, Groups Synchronized from Azure. You can also synchronize groups from Google. On the same authentication page, select the Google tab. Here you configure your Google authentication. Click on Connect and sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. After entering your credentials, select Allow when prompted to grant Printix access to view groups on your domain. We can connect Microsoft Entra ID and Google domains to the same Printix tenant simultaneously, and we can even link multiple Google and Microsoft Entra ID domains. Once group synchronization has been configured, you will find a Groups option under the menu. Groups will be synchronized automatically every 20 minutes. But you can also trigger a manual synchronization by selecting Resynchronize Groups. Remember, only users registered in Printix and part of the synchronized groups will be included. Here you can see all the synchronized groups. Click on the group you want to explore. This will open the group properties, where you can configure the secure print properties for this group. Options include whether members of this group must print securely or print later by default. Selecting the Print Queues tab reveals the print queues that this group has been added to. The User tab will display all users registered in Printix who are members of this group. Lastly, the Computers tab will allow you to see all computers that are members of this group. And that wraps up our demonstration on connecting Printix Home to Microsoft Entra ID or Google accounts, synchronizing groups, and finding users within those groups. Thank you for watching.